So I just checked out Hero UI and it feels like a game changer for developers. They have this streamlined design approach.
Right, I noticed their emphasis on community involvement too. It's interesting how user feedback shapes their updates.
Exactly, and the fact they allow for contributions really makes it feel collaborative. It's like developers get to build the tool together.
You know, it raises this question about ownership in open source. But doesn't that assume everyone has the time to contribute?
Good point, it's great in theory, but many developers are swamped. I wonder if it creates a barrier for those who can't engage.
Totally. And while we're on it, the Canary release system is fascinating. It's like getting a sneak peek into future updates.
Right, that must be thrilling for developers. But is it wise to use those versions? They can be buggy, can't they?
For sure, it's a trade-off between being on the cutting edge or risking instability. Depends on the project, I guess.
Speaking of cuts, I checked out their documentation. It's incredibly detailed, almost overwhelming though.
Yeah, I can see that. It's great, but there's a fine line between comprehensive and complex. Some users might feel lost.
Absolutely, it's like they want to cater to both experienced and new developers. But how do you balance that?
Maybe they could use more visuals or examples. It's easier to grasp concepts when you see them in action.
That's a smart idea. It's like learning a new recipe. Following steps is easier with a picture of the dish.
Exactly. And let's not forget their storybook feature. It showcases different components in such a friendly way.
Right, it's like a live demo, but how well does it scale? What if projects get more complex?
Good question. Solutions that work for simple components might get messy with larger applications. It's a crucial factor.
I'm curious about how they handle community issues. Are they responsive? Seems critical for user trust.
Definitely. If they're slow to address feedback, it could damage their credibility. Timely responses matter.
You know, I'm also surprised that they're promoting a code of conduct. That sets a respectful tone for the community.
I agree. It's essential for safe spaces, but enforcing it can be tricky. How do you maintain that culture?
That's tough, it's a balancing act, but fostering a positive environment could really enhance user participation.
Exactly. And their MIT license, such a classic choice. But it also raises questions about commercial use.
Like, could someone take this code and create a competitive product? That's a risk.
For sure, but in some ways it makes the ecosystem healthier, right? Competition could improve the tool.
That's a good spin on it, but there's also the fear of dilution. What if key features get lost in the shuffle?
True, that's a valid concern. It might be important for Hero UI to maintain their core identity amid changes.
Let's circle back to their community. Do you think they should actively seek users for feedback?
Definitely. Proactive outreach can create loyalty. Users feel valued when they know their opinions matter.
You know, if we put all this together, Hero UI's success depends on that tightrope walk of feedback, updates, and user engagement.
Exactly. Balancing innovation with stability, community input with manageable complexity. It's quite the challenge.
And honestly, it's going to be interesting to watch how they evolve these aspects.
Absolutely. But it leaves us with a thought. How much could community shape the future of a tool like Hero UI?
Right, that's the exciting part. Their growth could redefine user engagement in the tech space.
And who knows? Maybe Hero UI will pave the way for future development frameworks.
That's a perfect note to end on. I wonder what the next big development will look like.
And how we might contribute as users. That's something to chew on.